So in this video, we are going to be looking at linear equation and intercept. I have shot a short video on how to determine the intercept on an xy plane, also known as the Cartesian coordinate. So let's start with a linear equation. First of all, we need to understand that the standard form of a linear equation. The standard form of a linear equation is given by what? Ax plus by, right, is equal to what? C. So in this case, a, b, and c are what? Are integers. All right, they are integers. So this is the standard form. In case there is a question that requires that we express it in standard form, this is the standard form of a linear equation. So now let's quickly look at what intercept. So when we're talking about intercept, right, intercept, from one of the videos I produced, basically talks about the point of intersection of the line of the point with either of x or y axis. How do I mean? For instance, if you have a line like this, I get in it, and you have a graph that goes like this, right? What you have on this vertical axis is y, and what you have here is x. This is positive y, positive x. Now this point of intersection of what the line with y axis, right, this point here is known as the what? The y what? Intercept. This is the y-intercept. Why this point of intersection on the x-axis here is known as the what? X what? Intercept. Now, the origin is what? 0, 0, which is applicable to both x and y. So basically, when we're talking about intercept, from our knowledge of the coordinate system of a Cartesian coordinate, we know that graph is often plotted with respect to x, y. So we can say that x what? Intercept, right, is the value of x when y is equal to what? 0. So this will be what? X, what? 0. So when y is equal to 0, the value of x gives us the x-intercept, like I did in the previous video. And of course, the y what? Intercept, the y-intercept in this case is the value of what? Of y when x is equal to 0. So this will be 0, what? Y. So now, if an equation is given, though y-intercept can be determined using the slope-intercept form of a straight line, when we get there, I will still explain that. But one of the best way you can determine either of x or y-intercept is to set x to be equal to 0 to get y-intercept, and also to set y to be equal to 0, to get x-intercept. So now let's move on. Now, looking at this question, okay, there is a question that I would want us to solve. Yeah. Now, this question says, find x-intercept and y-intercept of 2x plus 3y, right, is equal to what? 6. So what we are doing now is we are determining x and y-intercept, all right? So what is x-intercept from what I explained previously? X-intercept is the value of x when y is equal to 0. So let's pick it one after the other. So let's take x what? Intercept. So x-intercept in this case is the value of x when y is equal to 0. So we now say when what? When y is equal to 0, then what is the value of x? That will be what? 2x plus 3 into bracket 0. It implies that wherever we see y, we replace it with 0 is equal to what? 6. So this will give us what? 2x, 3 times 0, 0 plus 0 is equal to 6. So we have 2x is equal to what? 6. Then x is equal to what? 6 over 2, which is equal to 3. So if I want to write it in coordinate form, the x-intercept in this case will now be what? 3, what? 0. All right, so this is our x-intercept. So let me use this side for y-intercept. So for the y-intercept basically is the value of y when x is equal to 0. So you now say when what? When x is equal to 0, Then we have what? 2 into bracket 0 plus what? 3y is equal to what? 6. 2 times 0, that is what? 0 plus 3y is equal to 6. So y is equal to what? 6 over 3. 6 divided by 3 will give us 2. So y is equal to what? 2. So in that case, in coordinate form, the y-intercept can be written as what? 0, comma what? 2. So this is the y-intercept, while this is the what? X-intercept. I want to believe this video has helped someone. Please don't forget to subscribe to this channel, like the video, share, comment. And if you want to support what we do, please kindly check my about section in my profile picture to see the necessary information. See you in the next video. Thank you.